Hi, I'm Ben Light, creator of Robot Recipes. Robot Recipes are basically robot toys made from tin cans. The idea is you eat a meal, you save the cans, and you make a toy robot. The idea originally started as a gift for my nephew, and as you can see, I kept going and made a lot of them. The robots come in various sizes and shapes. Some of them actually do things. Some have custom circuitry, some make sounds, some light up, some of them even move. So every robot's made out of cans, and you basically start with a little can and a big can, and you stack them, and you get the proportions of a robot. Whenever possible, I try and use off-the-shelf parts. Sink strainers for mouths, drawer pulls for arms, even T-poles for cyclops sides. I try and use big satisfying hardware, like toggle switches and arcade buttons. I just like the feel of it. The projects always start off pretty straightforward. Stack a couple cans, drill a couple holes for eyes, and then just wire up some LEDs and light it up. But I almost always go a very complicated, difficult way afterward. I'll involve a laser cutter, or a metal lathe, or even a CNC, and I almost always powder coat all of the robots. But none of these specialized tools or techniques are necessary to get started. You can improvise, add your own style, and basically create your own recipes.